Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. It's crucial to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components. First, unplug your Vitamix blender to ensure safety. Next, remove the container from the base. You'll notice several screws on the bottom of the blender base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, placing them in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. This will expose the internal components of the blender. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside, as this can affect performance. A soft cloth or a small brush can be useful for this task. Now locate the clutch mechanism. It's typically situated near the motor. You may need to remove additional screws to access it fully. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the clutch exposed, inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears worn, it's time to replace it. Carefully detach the old clutch by unscrewing it from its mount. Remember to keep track of any washers or small parts that may come loose during this process. Now, take your new clutch and align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it's tightly fastened, as a loose clutch can lead to further issues down the line. Before reassembling the base, it's a good idea to test the new clutch. Plug in the blender and run it briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or issues, double-check your installation. Once you're satisfied with the performance, it's time to reassemble the base. Carefully place the cover back on and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any gaps. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your blender. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you know exactly what needs to be done before any work is carried out. After securing the base cover, give your Vitamix a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This not only keeps it looking good, but also ensures it's hygienic for your next use. Finally, plug in your Vitamix and test it one last time. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations. You've successfully changed the clutch on your Vitamix blender. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing the clutch on your Vitamix. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance the longevity and performance of your appliance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.